but I know that you've been getting reaction. What are you hearing?
Well, first of all, you may be wondering, what does the president think of all this, and when won't we hear from him? We don't have official word on when that will come. We know that in this White House, packed with lawyers, that's an understatement, they are reading through this decision quickly to try to determine what exactly it says, not only in the specific challenge to these two college admissions cases, but to society writ large. To your question, Anne Marie, about how will this affect the rest of society, that's one of the things that lawyers here at the White House are looking through before the president says anything more, whether that's in writing or in person. We'll keep you updated on that. He's headed to New York later today, so it is likely to happen before he leaves the White House on his way to New York for campaign events. There are some interesting statements coming in from various political leaders who have strong opinions on this. I want to call out a very interesting one from former First Lady Michelle Obama, who we hear from so infrequently since she's left the White House on really any matter. But you remember that the story of Michelle Obama begins on the south side of Chicago, involves her going to Princeton to study sociology and African American studies, and then on to Harvard Law School. She is an African American woman who, went to the Ivy League and has surely benefited from superior higher education. So she writes in a lengthy statement today, in part. Before we get to that part that we see there, I want to call out another part. She says, of course, students on the campuses she went to and countless others across the country were and continue to be granted special consideration for admissions. She says some have parents who graduated from the same school. Others have families who can afford coaches to help them run faster or hit a ball harder. Others go to high schools with lavish resources for tutors and extensive standardized test prep that help them score higher on college entrance exams. We don't usually question if those students belong, she says. So often we just accept that money, power, and privilege are perfectly justifiable forms of affirmative action, while kids growing up like I did are expected to compete when the ground is anything but level. She goes on to say, today is a reminder, or today, my heart breaks for any young person out there who's wondering what their future holds and what kinds of chances will be open to them. And while I know the strength and grit that lies inside kids who have always had to sweat a little more to climb the same ladders, I hope and I pray that the rest of us are willing to sweat a little too. Today's a reminder that we've got to do the work not just to enact policies that reflect our values of equity and fairness, but to truly make those values real in all of our schools, workplaces, and neighborhoods. Notably then, former President Obama, in a much shorter statement, says in part, like any policy, affirmative action wasn't perfect, but it allowed generations of students like Michelle and me to prove we belonged. Now it's up to all of us to give young people the opportunities they deserve and help students everywhere benefit from new perspectives. So that is a notably, strongly worded reaction from Michelle Obama, who clearly has an opinion on this and has expressed opinions on so little else in the years since she left the White House. Clearly this one today hitting a nerve, especially given her own life experiences and how she benefited from higher education. But there are others in the political space who've weighed in on this. Just a little while ago, the Senate Minority Leader Mitch McConnell, speaking on behalf of many Republicans, saying in part that the decision, quote, is a, quote, long overdue step towards ensuring equal protection under the law. For decades, the court turned a blind eye as higher education prioritized illegal social engineering over merit. Today's rulings make clear that colleges may not continue discriminating against bright and ambitious students based on the color of their skin. Most Americans agree that racial discrimination should play no part in the college admissions process. Now that the court has reaffirmed that common sense position, students can get a fair shot at college and the American dream on their merits. The Republican presidential candidate Nikki Haley also weighing in, saying the world admires America because we value freedom and opportunity. SCOTUS reaffirmed those values today. Picking winners and losers based on race is fundamentally wrong. And we should point out more broadly, CBS News has polled on the question of affirmative action and race-based college admissions. 53% of Americans in the CBS poll support continuing affirmative action as a policy. But just 30% of Americans in our recent CBS poll believe that colleges and universities should be allowed to use race as a consideration in admissions. So public opinion today, at least, reflected in that Supreme Court decision. The Supreme Court doesn't account for public opinion, or at least it says it doesn't. But it is important to point out that, at least in our recent polling, most Americans agree with what the court did today.